Communication. 1. Listen to a radio program on 14 News. Then fill the gaps with the words you hear.
Unit 9. Page 31. Communication. Activity 1. Listen to a radio program on 14 News. Then, fill in the gaps with the words you hear. Welcome to Nature and You. Today, we have asked our listeners around the world to call us to express their views on these 2 questions. Are there more natural disasters now than there were in the past? And are we prepared to deal with natural disasters?
Hi, I'm Sarah from Sydney, Australia. I think there are more natural disasters now than there used to be. Whenever I watch the news on TV, I see places that are flooded or affected by drought. I'm certain this is the result of climate change and global warming.
Hello, I'm Peter from London, England. I don't think there are more natural disasters now than in the past, but more are being reported on the news in shorter time periods. We've seen them so often on the news that we've become used to them.
Hi everyone, I'm Nobita from Tokyo, Japan. I think recent earthquakes and tsunamis just show how unprepared we are to deal with them. Despite all the technology and knowledge available to us nowadays, many people become victims of natural disasters.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Lynn from Hanoi, Vietnam. I don't think we can prepare for natural disasters, as nobody knows when or where they are going to strike. It's nature's way of reminding us who is in charge and that we should show more respect to the natural environment.